Improving leadership, culture. If you happen to always end up with a poor performing team, let me tell you why. And it's a hard truth. The problem lies not with your employees, but with your lack of leadership skills. Sometimes your team can be excellent in performing their tasks, but there may be some aspects that you haven't really addressed or that have been overlooked that the performance does not reflect in the result. If you're facing this problem, there are 3 key points in managing and building an A team. The first one is creating culture. Culture is important as it sets the context and tone of the company. It governs mindsets, attitudes, and behaviors, which ultimately influence your sales and profits. If the company runs on a low energy level and your employees rarely converse with one another, what do you think the result would be? Well, definitely the result of the work becomes mediocre over time. To cultivate a high-performance work culture, you need to set rules, often referred to as a code of honor. You can do this by gathering the team and listing down the desired attributes, attitudes, behaviors, and results that would require the team to practice excellence and achieve your company's goals. The code itself is a list of guidelines that helps the team perform well under an effective leadership. Examples of the code of honor items are playing 100%, never leaving a teammate behind, always expressing gratitude, or always learning, to suggest a few. Filter out the unnecessary ones and then boil it down to a list of about 8 to 10 rules. Put them into practice and uphold them to the highest level to set the team into high performance gear. An example of a rule that I personally live by, rule number 1, commit to learning and personal development every day.